Hey, what's up guys? This is Topher with Walser Nissan in Burnsville, and today I'm just going to be touching on what the Nissan Safety Shield 360 is. So what that is, there are 6 key safety features that are going to be a part of the Nissan Safety Shield 360, and what those features are, and I'll just kind of list them here and then I'll go through what they do. It's going to be your blind spot monitoring, it'll be lane departure warning, forward emergency braking, rear automatic braking, rear cross traffic alert, and high beam assist. So I'll kind of quickly touch on what those do. So for blind spot monitoring, as long as that feature is turned on, it uses sensors in the back of the vehicle and it'll monitor whoever's in your blind spot. So it'll actually have a little symbol on your side mirrors, and for example, if someone is in your right blind spot, your right side mirror, that little symbol will light up orange, and then if you turn your blinker on to like change lanes into the right lane, it'll actually beep at you and let you know that someone's there, maybe you should move over. Lane departure warning, how that works is it uses cameras and sensors up in the front part of the windshield as well as right down below in the grille, and that will monitor you staying in your lane. So if you drift outside of your lane without your blinker on, as long as you're going above, I want to say 30 or 35 miles per hour, then the steering wheel will vibrate at you. That's called haptic steering. So it'll actually physically vibrate, warning you that you're going outside of your lane. Forward emergency braking, how that will work is it will not only monitor the car in front of you, but it will monitor the car directly in front of that car. And how that works is if all of a sudden these cars are really slamming on their brakes and you haven't engaged your brakes, the vehicle will warn you and then eventually brake for you. Rear cross traffic alert, how that works is it uses sensors and it monitors when you're in reverse if cars are driving behind you, so it'll actually beep at you and let you know. And then how rear automatic braking works is if you're like backing your vehicle in somewhere and let's say there's a light pole really close by right behind you and you're not hitting the brakes, the vehicle will warn you, and then if you're still not hitting your brakes, the vehicle actually will engage those brakes for you, keeping you from backing into something. And then high beam assist, how that works is that if you have that feature turned on and you're driving down a dark road, it will automatically turn on your high beams. And then if someone's driving the opposite direction, you get to a certain distance, it will disengage the high beams just so you're not completely blinding that other person. And then when you pass each other, it will turn on those high beams. So it takes the, oh shoot, did I turn off my high beams or should I turn them on? Takes that out of it. The vehicle will just automatically do that for you. Well, I hope that helped answer any questions about what the Nissan Safety Shield 360 is. If you have any questions or more specific questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Otherwise, you can always visit our website at walsernissan.com or stop on in. We're more than happy to help.